Hi everyone, welcome back to Can Coffee. Here we have a quick Mill Silvano, and this machine was brought in because the temperature light wasn't coming on and there was no pressure. And the reason for that was because the machine wasn't heating. Basically, there's a little thing called a relay inside the machine, and it basically clicks on and off, allowing electricity to flow or not flow to the heating element to heat up the water. And so because that wasn't working, electricity was getting to the heating element, no heat was getting to the water, so no pressure, and the PID won't come on unless it's actually heating. So there you go. And we replaced the relay, and then what we found is that too much water was, we couldn't really pull a strong shot. Too much water was going back into the water reservoir, and that was because the overpressure valve wasn't functioning correctly, allowing too much water to pass through it instead of going to the group. And so we replaced that, and everything seems to be working fine. At first, after we replaced the valve, the pressure wasn't as good as we'd like it to be, the flow rate, and that's because, and we tell all of our Quick Mill Silvano owners this, because these machines come with a basket that looks like this. This is more or less the single dose basket, and you can see that the surface area on the bottom is kind of quite small compared to other baskets where the entire bottom is flat and is full of these holes. And these little baskets are actually problematic for a machine like the Silvano. It's just not equipped to basically handle the back pressure, because when you have a larger surface area of these little portholes on the bottom, then it doesn't put as much back pressure on the machine. When you have a larger one, the smaller the surface area, the more stress it's going to put the machine under. And so we recommend, even if you're going to pull a single shot amount, mass-wise with the ground coffee, you still want to find a basket that has the entire bottom of the basket surface area, not just a narrow like this. And your shot will be much better. So we're going to send the customer home with a better basket than this, and you'll see. The shot flow is great. So here we are, and let's just test it. Yeah, pressure's in the right spot. Got a good flow here. And like I said, we're using the larger surface area basket, but we're still putting in just 14 grams, which is about what that other basket held. Alright, we'll stop at about 2 ounces. In good timing. Alright, there it is. Quick Mill Silvano functioning once again. Thanks for tuning in to Can Coffee, and please like our videos. And if you like our videos, then please subscribe to our channel. Thank you.